In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly using the responsive design settings. As we dive into this, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how to ensure your site looks fantastic on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. First, let's talk a bit about why this is so important. As more people use their phones to browse the internet, having a mobile-friendly website isn't just a nicety, it's essential. This ensures that your site is not only accessible, but also provides an enjoyable experience for your visitors. Let's get started by opening up your Wix editor. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Site Design. This is where you'll find various options to customize your website's appearance. Take a moment to explore the features here, as familiarizing yourself with these can offer valuable insights into how your website can be tailored to better meet the needs of your audience. Now, within the site design section, you'll see an option called responsive settings. Clicking on this will open a range of settings dedicated to making your site adaptable to different screen sizes. It's a critical feature for ensuring your website's elements, like images, text, and buttons, adjust seamlessly, providing a fluid and intuitive experience for your visitors. This is especially important when considering different devices and orientations. With the responsive settings panel open, your next move is to enable the mobile-friendly options. This action is all about optimizing your site to function beautifully on smaller screens. When enabled, Wix will automatically make adjustments to many elements, but it's important to review some changes yourself to ensure the layout maintains its integrity and visual appeal. Keep an eye out for elements that may need manual tweaking, such as oversized images or overlapping text. You might find it necessary to make minor adjustments to font sizes or reposition certain sections for an optimal layout. Remember, creating a seamless and engaging experience across devices will encourage visitors to explore your site more thoroughly, reflecting positively on your brand or message. While navigating these settings, you might notice the changes reflected immediately in the editor's preview section, allowing you to visualize how your adjustments look in real time. This feature is incredibly useful as it provides instant feedback showing how your adaptations appear on mobile devices without the need to dive into the live site repeatedly. Before wrapping up, don't forget to save your work. This step is crucial, as you wouldn't want to lose the changes you've meticulously worked on. A quick tip is always to review your site on an actual mobile device. This final check ensures all elements flow as expected and meet your satisfaction. Revisiting your site from the perspective of a visitor provides fresh insight and may even highlight areas needing further refinement. That's all for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your website's performance and accessibility on mobile devices, an essential aspect in today's digital landscape. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your online presence.